of 1995. So it was a perfect start for Chelsea last weekend, 3-0 at Huddersfield. Jorginho, lovely ball back to Alonso, takes it in stride. Here's Pedro, and that's quite exceptional from Chelsea. Superb goal. The passing was accurate, the finish was lethal. And Chelsea lead Arsenal by 1-0.
Yeah, great goal. I mean, questions remain, how on earth is Pedro that far clear? Where were the defenders? But a lovely run by Alonso. Mkhitaryan can't get anywhere near him. See here, Mkhitaryan's with Alonso, then he just loses a lovely ball by Jorginho. Pedro's offside there, of course he is, but can't get back.
14 matches, but now an opportunity the other way for Morata. And still Morata, and that's a goal that will give him so much confidence. He doubles Chelsea's lead. Arsenal torn to shreds by one simple ball forward, and a really cool finish by Alvaro Morata. Chelsea 2, Arsenal 0.
Aubameyang misses. Arsenal fall asleep yet again at the back. This was just a long, hopeful ball over the top, and Morata is far too quick for Mustafi. Long ball in between the two centre defenders. Instead of keeping them
for Chelsea, in fact, we'll get back to that because here's Iwobi. And then Mkhitaryan, well, there's the goal. Against the run of play, Henrik Mkhitaryan lashes one back in for Arsenal to cut the deficit here at Stamford Bridge. Mkhitaryan's first goal of the season, and it's Chelsea 2, Arsenal 1.
No, he didn't get hold of his first chance. He certainly gets hold of this one. This is Willian getting caught.
Mkhitaryan, but he's managed to tee him up. Plenty of red and white in the middle, and they're back on level terms. It's thumped in by Alex Iwobi, and it's Arsenal's turn to rip Chelsea apart with a simple passing movement and a thumping finish from Iwobi. Chelsea 2, Arsenal 2.
Entertaining game this, isn't it? What's happened to the Chelsea defence this time around? They've scored 2, they've had 2 sitters, Arsenal. Again, no pressure on the ball here. Mkhitaryan goes off, comes back in. He's onside. He's onside.
And Alex Iwobi with the goal, and it really was fantastic. You couldn't keep up with it, you couldn't take your eye. Hazard skips away from Lacazette. Olivier Giroud calling for it in the middle. So is Alonso. There's the finish, and Chelsea back in front in the London derby. It's Chelsea 3, Arsenal 2, and it's Marcos Alonso.
Yeah, and Hazard instrumental again. We spoke all day defensively about Arsenal, and this time it's Lacazette. Firstly giving the ball away, and then second.
And it's back-to-back defeats in the first 2 games under Unai Emery for Arsenal. Full time at the Bridge, Chelsea.
Without having to leave London. That was Alexis Sanchez, so Eddie Nketiah might get the chance later to face Chelsea, who released him as a schoolboy. Quick in attack. And amongst their substitutes, Ross Barkley. Back at Stockley Park, and here they go again for a 5th time this season, for a 3rd time this month. Pedro Hazard's on the move, he's played in, and Chelsea take a deserved lead after only 6 minutes, in which they've kept Arsenal back in their own half. 1 disallowed, now this one counts, and Eden Hazard, false number 9 you can call him, he was a proper number 9 through the middle then, and finished in style.
They certainly did. It's been such a sharp start from Chelsea on the front foot, squeezing Arsenal. Look at the space, though, Pedro has got. Koscielny doesn't know whether to stick or twist. And once he's laid in Eden Hazard here, you just know he's going to score. Lovely little over from the Belgian, and an assured finish. Brilliant start from Chelsea, but you have to say a shocking one.
From Monreal, who's in amongst it again, and it's 1-1.
Well, can you believe the space that Nacho Monreal has got here? Just pulls away. And Rudiger, it's an instinctive nod of the head towards the ball. Well, it's a double deflection, isn't it? Alonso and then Rudiger. A huge strike, a slice of luck for Arsenal. They'll take that all day long, though, after the start they've made.
Unlucky, Willian off as well. Arsenal won, Chelsea won at half-time. Holding off for Christensen. Put it in by Granit Xhaka. The goal that Arsenal had to score, they have scored. They're ahead on the night and on aggregate in the semi-final.
Well, Lacazette has had to work really hard tonight. It's not been easy for him. Hasn't had much support at times. But how well does he do here, running the channel? It's all about persistence, holding off Christensen and just bubbling one through. The little break of the ball, and Xhaka reacting like a striker.
Frustrated in cup competitions. Quite a saga this season between these two.
Complete. We're watching Spurs and West Ham at Wembley tomorrow night. Tonight, it's another London derby, a big one.
Sunday, and how Arsenal missed him. Sanchez and Lacazette have started all 4 of the holiday games. On Saturday, Alvaro Morata, the top scorer, plays here for the first time. Avoided the capital, and as pretty much always here at the Emirates. Oh, it'll run for Jack Wilshere! There's the breakthrough! And Jack really is back! Nothing Courtois could do about this.
Well, they've been knocking and they've been drifting through this game, Chelsea. To pass out to Ozil. Plays it in, and it's just a little bit of good fortune, a deflection of Morata. It's just a question, how do you beat Courtois from that angle?
Hazard trying to do all he can to change it. Down he goes. Penalty for Chelsea. Arsene Wenger on the wrong end of a penalty decision for the second game in a row.
Well, he's the best.
Last game of 2017, first game of 2018, and he's livid again.
Well, he wasn't happy at West Brom, he's not happy tonight. He's the best at winning free kicks.
This is recent record. Short approach, and he does the job. Hazard levels. And Arsenal have lost the lead again by conceding a penalty.
Well, Arsene Wenger was likely to get a touchline or stadium ban. You might be wondering whether it's...
Holds him up. Zappacosta works away past him, and it's put away by Marcos Alonso. The left wing-back with a striker's finish. Chelsea in front. They've come from behind. And it's a Spaniard who's done it, which has been a feature of their Premier League goal scoring this season.
Well, it's wing-back to wing-back. It's a wonderful pass from Willian. I said earlier in the game, he's been brilliant, Maitland-Niles, but can you test him? He's not a left-back, and Zappacosta does. Just gets a yard on him and smashes it across at the near post. Arsenal's centre-backs are static, and Alonso's on the move and makes that run. That crucial run across the near post. It's a wonderful contact from him with his right foot. I have to say, it's not easy.
In by Mustafi. Bahrain! Brilliant! 2-2. Arsenal refused to give it up. Still 2 minutes to go.
Well, you can't say they haven't deserved it. Chelsea did drop off. They invited the pressure and they keep it alive, Arsenal. The challenge is there. Alonso can't clear his lines. Then you're just asking the question on a very difficult half volley.
Fantastic game of football. Arsene Wenger's side led through Jack Wilshere.